Alrighty, hey everyone, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me, let's check out this 2019 Nissan Pathfinder SV. It is going to be in the Scarlet Amber tint coat exterior with the charcoal black cloth interior. Coming down here to your wheels, these are going to be your 18-inch alloys. Around back, you have rear parking sensors and a rear backup camera. Coming in, you have smart key access as well as your remote start, so just go ahead and press the button onto the door handle to unlock your doors. And then coming in, foot on the brake, button to start. This one does have 9,348 miles, so we'll sit down our key and check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, we have the 3.5 liter V6 engine, making 284 horsepower, 259 foot-pounds of torque, all going to the front wheels and a CVT continuously variable transmission. Now you can tow up to 6,000 pounds, and with a 19.5 gallon fuel tank, expect MPG of 20 city, 27 highway. So let's go ahead and check out that interior. Now coming in, we have that charcoal black cloth interior as we previously mentioned. All your power adjustments down below. And then checking out your door panel, padded and stitched armrest. You also do have your power windows, locks and mirrors, door storage down below, and your blind spot monitoring indicator right up there. Coming to your steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel. You do have your controls for your center screen up top, as well as your audio controls, Bluetooth and voice commands. Over on the right, you do have your cruise with dynamic radar cruise right here, and your main switch. Over on the left, automatic headlights, as well as your blinkers. Over on the right, your variable speed wipers. Now coming to your audio system, checking out your sources. We have FM, XM, AM, CD, iPod integration, as well as Bluetooth streaming audio. All of your commands right over here. You also do have your settings, info, various apps, and then a status home screen right there with your climate and audio. Below that, some hard key buttons for your volume and tune, 6 presets, as well as your CD slot. This is going to be a tri-zone automatic climate control with your driver and front passenger temperatures, as well as your rear controls right up top right there when you do press the button. Below that, you do have your 12-volt and some charging USBs. And this is going to be your CVT continuously variable transmission. Reverse does give you your rear backup camera with sonar. Cup holders, you do get a complimentary 3-month trial of Sirius XM with the purchase. 2-tier glove box with your audio inputs right there, 2 USBs, an auxiliary, and a 12-volt. Glove box is absolutely massive with all of your owner's manuals and such. Auto dim mirror with your garage home link integrated in. Mirror and vanity light with a nice little file thing in your sliding visor. Map lights and some sunglass storage up top. And so that about wraps it up for the front seat of the Pathfinder. Let's check out the rear. Now coming back here, we do have the 3-seat bench on this model. It is going to be slid all the way back, but you can slide it forward to give the third row a little bit of extra room or make it easier for the front seat passengers to access some baby seats. But climbing in, door panel materials, you have the same padded stitched leather, cup holder, door storage, and your power window. Front seat set by 5'9" frame and absolutely massive room with this second row slid all the way back. Dual seat mount pockets as well as some rear AC vents. There's that third zone, and you also have some charging USBs. Over here to my right, nice padded armrest with cup holders and storage. And then up top you do have damped cornering handles and some illumination. So let's go ahead and check out that third row briefly, and then we can wrap up our video. Now accessing third row is going to be very easy via the lever right here, lift it up and the seat can slide forward, giving you a nice passageway back there into the third row, which does have 2 seats. You have headrest and cup holders on either side with the vents. Very accommodating, and as we previously mentioned, you can slide the seats forward to give the third row passengers extra room. Let's check out the cargo area. Coming around back to your cargo area, you have your rear wiper right here and the membrane underneath your Nissan logo to open everything up. As you can see, behind your third row, you still do have adequate room. And you do have some storage underneath your floor right here. But folding down the third row is super easy. just go ahead and drop it, and you can do the same over there. It's going to be a 50-50 split, and you can also drop the second row in a 60-40 split to expand cargo room even more. You do have bag hooks on either side with a nice little 12-volt over there. You have your front floor mats, and a temporary spare tire is located underneath the vehicle. And so that about wraps it up for this 2019 Pathfinder SV. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.